Today, I'll show you how to reduce the size of a Photoshop PDF to make it easy for you to send it on email. Hello and welcome to Digital Strategy and Marketing, and my name is Dennis Moro, and let's dive right into the tutorial. The reason why I created this tutorial is because of a challenge that I faced today. I created a Photoshop PDF that, as you can see, is 32 megabytes, which is way bigger than what you can send on email, which is about 25, which is still a very, very big file. So I was able to reduce it to 5 megabytes, and that's what I want to show you how to do. You may have tried this, or if you do not know, how you create a Photoshop PDF is by coming to Save As or Shift+Control+S, and then on the Save As type, you select Photoshop PDF. Then from there, once you've selected, let me choose a different file name. Once you've selected that, it brings this dialog box, which once you press OK, it gives you these options. This preserve Photoshop editing capabilities really creates a huge file. You disable this, and then you come to compression. In compression, you have two options. You can reduce the image quality, because most of the time yours may be at maximum or it may be in high. You can put it at around medium. And something else is that for most of the settings, this by cubing, this downsampling is around 300, which really creates a big file. So if you'd like to reduce it, put it to something like 150 pixels per inch. And once you save this PDF and it exports, which it's going to export actually much faster than the other one, it's going to amount to about this 5 megabytes. If you are working with a bigger file, you can try and tweak that, changing the image quality size or the downsampling just a bit to ensure that it fits within what is sendable via email. And something else you can do is just open up the Photoshop. You can open up the Photoshop PDF to see if the quality fits what it is that you're looking for. And then, yeah, you're good to go. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. As always, you can follow our channel to learn more about digital tools. And as we always say, happy editing.